You may remember a little while ago I did a video about the GoPro Media Mod, and at the same time I bought this little GoPro Light Mod, they call it. And it's very light and it's reasonably powerful as well, and it's quite useful if I'm filming inside a motorhome, sort of show. I won't be doing that for a while by the looks of things, but I won't shine it at try not to shine it at the camera. Got a flashing mode as well, so switch it off for a second. And the people who make this little light are called Litra, and they saw my video and said, would I like to try some more of these? Well, this is a diffuser, and what they've sent me is this. This is the Light Mod Creator Kit for use with the GoPro Light Mod LED light. So it comes with colour filters, another silicone diffuser, and a 1/4 inch 20 adapter for mounting it on a selfie stick or something like that. So let's have a look inside. There's not a huge amount in the box, but what you do get is another white diffuser, so I've got a spare one if I lose the other one. But you also get is a golden hour diffuser. So I'll try and show you the differences as we put these on. So it's got two diffusers, but it's also got a filters, different colours here. That seems like a quite thick one. There's another one there. So quite a few different filters. So how do you get that out? Yeah, they just push out. Okay. So you put another one in. Yeah, and they clip back in. So that's a white one. So let's have some fun and see what these filters do. Wow, and that's really bright. That's the thing without the diffuser. Let's put the diffuser on. That's better. That's a diffuser. I can actually look at the camera now without getting blinded. Try the Evening Glow one. Oh, that's quite pleasant. That's just sort of a little glow to it. So that softens it up quite a bit. So that's the white filter. I mean, it's you can look at it quite easily. So that gives you sort of quite a bright light to look at. And that's the red filter. No idea what any of this looks like, but be interesting to see. So I'm looking at like a red glow at the moment. That's weird. That's spooky. That's the blue one. That's like a very light yellow filter. It's a bit like looking at football stadium lights. That's a green light. Oh, that's quite a pleasant one. That's sort of a cyan, I suppose, sort of a bluey green. And finally, it's sort of a brown filter, sort of a bit of a glow. So I suppose you could use it for uplighting or something. Also comes with a 1/4 20 adapter, they're called, and that's got a cold shoe that you can mount this on. Get the right way around, and you can put that on there, and it means you can mount it on these sort of things here. So I suppose the beauty of that then is you can then move your lighting about, so you can make it a bit more off to the side. So try the golden glow. So that might make a bit more of a difference when you're a little bit closer. So if you want some sort of like mood lighting or some blue lighting, that's quite Halloween, isn't it? Some red lighting. So I've had these filters for a few weeks now, and to be honest, I'm struggling a little bit as to a reason why you might want to buy them. I think the reason is that sometimes the balance of the colour balance of the video that you're in sometimes may be a little bit off. I think this video, because I'm in domestic lighting situation, and it looks a bit yellow, so there is a balance that you can adjust on your camera. Most cameras have a white balance, and you can adjust it from a sort of an orange colour, if you like, right down to a blue colour, and you can do that within the camera. But if you wanted to sort of change the background with the lighting, then obviously you can add the light in the first place, so you don't have to worry about the white balance on the camera. So for instance, if I wanted to make this picture a bit bluer, I would add a blue filter like this, or a yellow filter like this. And the reason for these filters is that you can change the colour balance, particularly in the background. I think probably has more effect light in the background, without having to mess about with the colour white balance on the camera itself. So let me know if this is something that you might be interested in buying. Is it something that would help you? You might be a bit more professional than me in how you use your camera, so let us know. I'm not sure it's something I'd buy, I'm perfectly honest, but I've got it now, so I might have a little play with it and see how we get on with it. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and we'll catch up with you in the next one. Oh, I nearly forgot, if you do want to buy the filters, all the details are in the description below. That's our Amazon link. If you click on that, we get a small bit of commission from that sale. But let us know what you think anyway.